Hey, welcome back to the Happy Place Diaries. We're back in the bathroom. Okay, in our constant quest for upgrading and updating parts of our happy place, the RV, our Keystone Passport, if you've watched our videos, you've seen, speaking English is sometimes a challenge. You've seen that we replaced the faucet out in the galley or the kitchen, and we've replaced the faucet in the bathroom here in the sink, and now we are replacing the fixture in the shower. So we just ordered a fixture, and it just got here like minutes ago. And what it's going to replace is this plastic one right here. So we're going to go ahead and get things set up and take you along as we replace this old plastic with some nice looking fixtures. All right. So what I got to do is there's 4 screws right here. I need to pull this panel off. So essentially what we're going to have left is we don't need a downspout because we don't take baths in the shower. And when we wash the dogs, usually we do that outside, or our dogs are small enough to do in the sink. So we really don't need this spout right here. So the new faucet is right here, single handle, so hot and cold, on and off is really all we need. And the shower will come out of the top and then go where it... Hi, Ladybug. Where is she at? She's looking at me. All right. So I need to just take this whole panel off so that I could put this on. This will come off. This panel will go back on. And then we'll be good. I don't have to worry about turning off the water because we're not hooked up right now. So I'm going to go ahead and get this panel taken off. Okay.
Okay, you're recording.
So I'm just removing the old caulk out of from around the, and I'll go ahead and put a new bead on that. Oh, this piece. So we put the new faucet on here. Make sure that's where it goes. All right. I got to do?
Yeah, it'll be interesting to try it out.
All right. So now it's just a couple plastic nuts with washer and a washer. And that's really all it takes to attach the new fixture. And then we hook up the water again and hook up the shower hose. And go. All right. So now let's hook up the water. Okay, so I went ahead and hooked up to city water here at the house, and to make sure that I don't have any leaks back here. And we have water. it is flowing. So now that we know that works, I'm going to just get it all screwed back together. Okay, well that's that. We got the shower fixture installed. Looks good. We are going to go down and see about getting a new hose, something that matches, and call it good. Another project done. Another project that makes our happy place even happier. We'll see you in the next video.